And of course you have been throughout the day, we've entertained you in the sky, and now it's time to carve it up on the ground. I'm looking for probably the biggest Hot Wheels fan just in this area. We've got a Hot Wheels fan, he's got a very important job, right up along the fence. Here we go, got this done, boy. Here we go. We're going to give you a job, you've got to hold that flag up really high for me in zone room. Just walking on the big 70-powered stadium truck. So ladies and gentlemen, Mingay versus Mingay. Whoa! Real live Hot Wheels toys. Yeah, the big 6-litre room. Come together there. So the race is. Come on, Central Coast, cheer them on. Jackson's lost in the smoke. Oh, Mingay spins the truck around. Ladies and gentlemen, no commentary needed, but we need you to show your appreciation. What a sight, Mingay.
Following the shoulder roll, Paul's going to stop the nose of the aircraft, turn a few vertical, a couple of vertical balls going to leave hard left rudder, turn around not once, but twice with the double hammerhead. Now the Woodbridge Pro was custom built and weighs in a barely 600 kilograms, and is powered by a 400 horsepower rotating IO 540 engine, making it without doubt one of the highest aerobatic biplanes in the world today. As Paul pulls vertical again at the top of this loop, he's going to do one of the pushing outside, all the blood going to your head. Another torque roll. And a tumble off the top. Soon we are going to see something special. We are going to line up with Jacko. Some of you may have been here yesterday. Incredible control authority with this aircraft. Full span ailerons, both top and bottom wings. And we said there are only 2 of these aircraft in the world. This was the first one that was built. Lots of carbon fibre and aluminium in this. A lot more streamlining than your standard pit special. This is one true performer. Now look at that climb, ladies and gentlemen. That is being accomplished by use of power and the rudder only. Normally when you're climbing you use the elevators, but this time sideways and still climbing. Nice little turn at the top.
got Paul Bennett on the ground, knife edge, smoke on. Jack Rivers on the bridges. Here goes Cameron now. Oh, we do a test run through first, but I think you're starting to get the idea there. So the knife edge pass, there's a breeze blowing down here. So much calculation's got to go on, not only with the pilot, also the FMX rider. The change of a breeze can alter these riders as Jacko throws it to the sky. A slight breeze can put them all off, as for the pilot. All comes through. And that test run will be an example of what is about to happen. Hands together.